Guys, we're going somewhere.
Where?
This is your first clue. What is it? Do you know what it is?
Salt.
No, the other
Almost.
one.
Peppa.
Yes. So that's Peppa, that's
Pig.
yeah, and what's this?
A world.
Yeah, so put it all together and what have you got?
Peppa Pig World. Peppa Pig World.
Yeah! Well, it's for both of you.
We're going to the castle. Yes!
So we have got a very, very exciting few days coming up. It's actually about a week's worth of exciting things. It is a surprise to the children, but I thought I would vlog it because it's quite unique that we've not ever done this before, and it's going to be, I can't tell you, you're going to have to keep on watching to find out. But today's surprise, where are we going, guys?
Peppa Pig World.
So we did, as you saw, a little kind of reveal this morning, and the guys are very excited. They're actually a little bit poorly today, which is a shame because they're a bit grumpy, but we're looking forward to taking them for the day, and then you will see what else is coming up. Can't wait to show you what we've got planned. It's because it's their birthday on Tuesday, so obviously this is not a normal week, but yeah, it's their birthday Tuesday. They're going to be 5 and 3. We've just arrived and we're going to head round to the little preview bit at the new Peppa Pig bit, because they've got brand new rides, which is part of the reason they have invited us to come along and test them out, which I'm really excited about because I actually really genuinely love Peppa Pig World. I think it's really cool. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing the new ride. Wow! Hi Bella! We've just come onto the first ride. There's absolutely no queues. I think it's just like a press day today, so there's no other like general public in at the moment.
What do you think, guys?
And I've just seen, there's quite a few people I know here already. I've just seen Rom and Dawn and Rochelle Humes. Lucy and her hubby Jordan and the boys. Henry and George have just got some cake, and that's like the best thing they ever want to do. And Henry just is desperate to go to the dinosaur bit. But we obviously need to do a bit of this bit first. But yeah, it's really good so far. That's his little cuddle.
Nice cuddle.
Oh, nice cuddle, Bubba. That was good.
Oh, look at Daddy.
Why would they want to? We've just left Peppa Pig World now. We're going to go into this bit, which is the Lost Kingdom. Because Henry won't stop going on about the dinosaur ride. So we're going to go on with Jensen and Jessie as well. Show them the dinosaurs. Look up there. Georgie's off.
Running since the Cretaceous period. That's about 100 million years ago in old.
I just got absolutely drenched, please. Yeah, thank you. I just got absolutely.
We're going round again.
Did you get drenched? I'm so got so wet. Mummy's too scared to go on this one, so I'm not going to go on. So we've just been sat having our lunch with Lucy and Jordan and the boys. The boys have all just been playing, which has been really nice. And now we're going over to the figures, but like trying to get them off a bit. They're just having too much fun playing on the little jig. He's got rules of his own. We're gonna go. We've only got about half an hour, and then we need to leave to go and do the boys' party. Georgie thinks this is his new seat in between. Who had a good day today?
Me. Ready?
We are now at the boys' party, so soft play. I'll probably say bye now, and then I'll see you in the morning for more fun. So the boys had the party last night, and today we have travelled up to Alton. Henry's really poorly today, and he's really sad as well. well. George is just fallen asleep. The roads are crazy. It's really pretty around here. Look. What is it?
Where are we?
Who's that?
Push the tumble. There's one.
Who is it?
Upsy Daisy. Swashbucklers.
Who? What?
Swashbucklers.
Another one.
Push the tumble. What?
Look where we are. It looks so cool. I love all the little clues along the way because obviously they didn't know where we were going. Well, George is still asleep. So we're going to go and check in now and see where we're meant to be going. Wow, guys! Did you see?
A bunk bed and toys.
Look at this one. Oh, I love it. It's like separate.
Come up in my bed.
Yeah. It's so
Look
good.
out from our window.
It's so beautiful out here.
I need to change up.
This might be where the fairy are. There are some bluebells.
You probably end up down there.
Where is he?
You're a night chef. Good morning, it's Sunday I think. I've pretty much lost track of days already. Bless you. We have just checked out of the Cbeebies Land Hotel, which, what did you think of that, guys? It was so good. And now we are going to the monorail and then we're going to head over to Cbeebies Land. We haven't even been to the park yet. But yeah, the boys are really excited now they know what's coming. The boys have just gone for the toilet break and we are having some lunch, which I ordered with Charles because it looks, oh hello, because it looks absolutely massive. We've done about 4 rides so far and there's been pretty much no queues, maybe like 15 minutes, so I think it's a really good day. Considering it's a Sunday, I'm really impressed that there's hardly any queues, and actually we've got fast passes that I've booked for tomorrow where we're going to do all the adult rides, but I think today literally we spend the whole day to Cbeebies Land and like have loads to do. So yeah, the boys are really enjoying it and the sun's out. The boys have decided they didn't want to ride with me. There they are, in the yellow one. Thanks guys, don't mind me, just single rider. We are just having a little ice cream break. Well, most of us are, but they were really expensive, so Stu's not having one. £2 for 6 rather than £3 for 1, but you know, that's what these places are like. We've actually just got the most beautiful view over there. It's Hayward Hall. It's called Alton Manor, I think it is, and it's the same architect as Big Ben.
This is the bit where Harry Potter starts.
Whoa, look up there, guys.
Look up there, dude. Look what you really want. Wish what you really want. And then you throw your money in and hopefully it comes true. But you don't tell anyone. What do you think, guys? Do you like it?
As fast as that.
Wow, that's There's people down there. Yeah, there's people down there.
What are you doing to Mama? You got me!
When we need to deliver a parcel, press the button that matches it. Do their painting. Just put something's missing. What?
Hello, hot tub birthday boys. Good morning. We are back at Alton Towers today, but today we are going over to the Splash Landings swimming pool, and we are going to go in and test out all the water rides. And the boys have got their new warmer wetsuits on, which voucher from Confidence, and we're actually ambassadors for them this year, so we're going to test them out here because I think it's like the perfect place. And we are going to take you along. I haven't got any mascara on because, you know, I don't want panda eyes, but I also look quite bored without mascara, as you can see. So yeah, we'll take you along, and this is our third and final part. Yeah, what do you think? What do you think, George? There's so much here. So we are just leaving. Did you enjoy that, darling?
Yes, but it was good.
Well done.
Really good fun, guys, wasn't it?
It was really good fun. We're now leaving. Not that way, guys.
Not that way.
We're going now to go back to Alton Towers and try and get on some of the rides. Oh, excuse my hair. Don't get so much of it. You know, mum life. Don't really get to sort yourself out, do you, once you've been swimming? It's all like derelict. Oh, it's a bit windy. We've just come to the ruin of the Towers Manor. I don't know what you call it actually, Alton Manor. It's like Beauty and the Beast castle. We're trying to say to the boys to investigate because it's all like gone to ruin, which is a real shame. It's so beautiful. All Georgie wants to do is pick up stones everywhere we go. What did you get down the roller coaster, George? Pudding? Yummy, yummy. That's not yours. Sorry. We have just left the roller coaster restaurant and we are heading back to our apartment. Would you call it an apartment? A little digs for the night or for the few nights. I'm so full. I'm going to do a blog post. I don't know if you can see me. I'm going to do a blog post about the roller coaster restaurant so you can see what that's like if you're thinking about coming there, going there. And then I'm going to do a blog post probably about our trip in general. So yeah, I will link that in the description bar down below. It's adventuresofamum.com if you want to see that. And I'm probably going to say bye now because we have got one more day here. Come on then. But we've kind of like, obviously this vlog's so long already. So yeah, I'm probably going to say bye. Thank you so much for watching. I'd really love it if you wanted to subscribe to see more from me. I'll also link our family days out and travel playlist in the description bar. I don't know if you can see me. So that you can have a look at the other videos if you want to do that. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.